Hi folks, Dave Stahl, the car guy for Bumperdoc. Well, you finally got yourself a cool set of wheels, right? They're either painted, alloy, low profile, looking good. Whack! You hit the curb. Geez, now what are you gonna do? Well, most likely you're gonna have to buy yourself a new rim. Wait, no you don't. Bumperdoc. They can repair alloy, painted alloy, custom wheels. They can take care of those scuffs and those little nicks. As long as you don't shatter the wheel, Bumperdoc can save you a ton of money. Fix that wheel, you won't even know you did it.